Hello friends, today I'm going to share how to identify how many tags you are selected here. I have collected some important tags, but I am not sure how many tags are here. When we're going to submit our design in our marketplace like Freepik, Shutterstock, Adobe Stock and other marketplace here, there is a limitation of tag setting. You cannot exceed above 50 tags. So you have to limit your tag below 50 or margin level 50 tags. So in this way, if you count one tag, two tag, three tag, four tag, that's very embarrassing and time killing. So I'm going to share how you can identify how many tags are here and which tags are duplicate here. So let's go how we can identify how many tags are here and which tags are duplicate. At first, you copy your tags, and before copy, go to Chat GPT. I have come here Chat GPT. Before I have done it, here I have copy here. All tags I have collected here, copy. Then Chat GPT box, we can Control B, press, then hit OK. Now Chat GPT count down how many tags and it will show which tags are duplicate. Already he suggested 26 number tags t-shirt are duplicate and another t-shirt are duplicate 39. Here graphics duplicate 30 on. We can see 30 on. Yeah, 30 on. Here also graphics. But practically we can check. Here summarize which tags are duplicate. T-shirt, we can check it. Copy. You say here navigation, paste. So all of t-shirt are presented here. T-shirt text, t-shirt 1, only t-shirt 2, only t-shirt 3, 1, 2, 3. These three t-shirts are duplicated, but typography t-shirt, gift t-shirt, and t-shirts are not duplicated. So we can delete these two and this on also. Now we can check another graphics. Then copy the text. Again navigation. If you can find this navigation option, you can press Ctrl and F. Ctrl and F. Then you will find this navigation. Here graphics, your watching graphics are duplicated. This way we can easily find out which tags are duplicated and how many tags are here. So this is the tricks to this tutorial, and stay safe all of you. Thank you very much.